Skyline's got more passing on the Blues.
Dad.
Well, it's might be the third loss. I don't know.
Is it?
I think so. And they were expecting to come in here and run it.
They lost one over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they lost one.
Yep.
Carter's actually doing pretty good. Then we go against They're doing okay.
Batter, relax.
Huh?
Next shot for the fence on.
That was actually
right
the
at your
camera.
fork.
Okay, we're gonna hit that.
Come on, Red.
Woo-hoo-hoo! It's foul. This is too easy, you know, really? Doing it for sometimes it's good, you know.
Put a buyer in. Put a buyer.
Here we go, Ren.
Red, relax. Loose relax. Here you go, Red.
Got it.
Nice
Got
play,
it.
girls. Nice play. Good play.
One down, two more. Come on.
Here we go, Ren. Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Foul ball.
Here we go, Ren. Finish it.
Just strike. Here you go. Just strike. That's all right. Nothing hurt. Nothing hurt. Nothing hurt.
Yep.
Come on, one more, Ren.
Nice.
Whoa! Nice pitch, Ren.
Loose, relax. Man, loose, relax. Tighten the glove. Here you go. Tighten the glove.
Nice.
Clean it up. There we go.
Good job, girls. Good
Job, Lightning.
girls.